Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha. And the markets have been correcting pretty fiercely. And today we observed a big gap down of roughly about 300 points, and the fall continued in both indices, which is Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, this excites a lot of investors because a lot of the good blue chip companies are available at more than a 20% discount. And in this particular video, we are going to talk about some of the blue chip stocks which are available at a discount of roughly about 15 to 20% from their 52-week high. And I really think that every dip from here on should be an investment opportunity for long-term investors because investing at these dips could really pay off in the long run for any long-term investor. So exactly about a month ago, I made this particular video on 10 reasons why the markets might turn bearish from here on. And a lot of people argued, a lot of people commented that this is bullshit, but now they can see for themselves that a month ago Nifty was at 15,200 and today we have made a low of 14,250. Interestingly, we have closed above 14,250, which happens to be a good sign because 14,250 happens to be a really important support. And if we close below 14,250, then we should expect 13,800 at least in the coming days. And if the situation gets bad or if the bad news keeps on coming, that is the COVID cases keep on rising, the Indian currency gets weak further, so we can expect some more fall. But if you're a long-term investor, you should really not worry and just try to pick some good companies which are available at a heavy discount from their 52-week high. With that being said, let's go and analyze the list. So the first stock on our list is going to be Bajaj Finance. Now it is a leader in the consumer lending business and the company has done pretty well. If I show you the all-term returns, so in a period of roughly about 20 years, the stock has given you a returns of more than 1 lakh percent. That is, the stock has multiplied your money by 1000 times, and that I think is really great. Let's try to analyze what sort of delivery did we observe in Bajaj Finance as on date. So if I show you the delivery percentage, so you will see that we observed a delivery of about 28%, which is okay, not that bad, not that good. And let me just try to show you the chart of Bajaj Finance and let's try to see what sort of levels we can expect here. So again, we saw that the stock was almost hitting its lower circuit today, which was roughly around 43.80. But the stock saw a good recovery from 44.01, and I think that this could be a really strong support. And this particular gap will be filled sooner or later. But from each dip from here on, you can definitely consider long-term investment in this particular stock, but because it is one of the best stocks that you can have in your portfolio for long term. So let's move on to the next stock and talk about that, which on our list is going to be IRCTC. And yes, Bajaj Finance is available to you at a discount of roughly about 22% from its recent high, which was roughly around 5,800. So that is really great. The second stock, as I mentioned, is going to be IRCTC. Now, again, I tried to pick some monopolistic stocks with strong fundamentals and a sound business model so that whenever you invest, and even if the stock tumbles further, you are able to average it out without any sort of hesitation because you should trust and believe the company and then you can invest it in if you are investing in for long term. Because, see, a stock in short term may go anywhere, the markets might turn bearish, and we might see a further correction. But if you have faith in the company and you're investing it for long term, so I think you can definitely expect some good gains. Now this stock was recently listed and since then it has given you a good returns of about 117% after the IPO in 2019. But the recent high which the stock made was roughly around 2000 rupees, and from there it is available to you at a correction of roughly about 24%. And 1500 happens to be a really strong demand zone of this particular stock, so it's a very strong support, and I don't think that 1500 will break in normal scenarios. So I don't think that we are going any further down, but even if we go, so I think 1500 should sustain, and it's a very good price to enter the stock. Or you can even enter now and then consider buying on each particular dip from here on. The third stock, okay, let's before check out the delivery in IRCTC today, what sort of delivery percentage was there. And if you see that the stock observed a delivery of more than a 40%, which is really great. So you can definitely consider long-term investment in this particular stock as well. The next stock on our list is going to be Astral Polytechnic, which has again been a really good multi-bagger in the past, and I still think that it can still give you multi-bagger returns in the future as well. It is the leader in the PVC pipe segment, and if I show you the all-time returns of the of this particular stock, So in about 13 years or 14 years, this stock has given you humongous returns of more than 23,000%, which I think is really great. And you should certainly consider long-term investment in this particular stock. Let's try to see the delivery percentage of this particular stock today. So today we saw a delivery of more than a 51%, which I think is really impressive. And again, this stock is available to you at a correction of about 23% from its 52-week high, which I think is really great. So you can definitely consider long-term investment in this particular stock as well. Let's try to have a look at the next stock, which is again Bata India. Now, I think this is one such stock which has fallen up too much recently, and I really think that it might bounce any day from here on because this stock is a leader in the footwear segment and it really has a monopolistic or basically a duopoly in the footwear segment because one is Bata and the other is Relaxo. Talking about the all-time returns of this particular stock, so in about 20 years, this stock has given you decent returns of over 1700%, and I still think that the all-time high of the stock is more than about 1800 or roughly around 1900. It is still available to you at a correction of more than 30% from its all-time high. So there is a lot of upside possible, and I think it's a great company to invest in for long term. Again, if I show you the delivery data of Bata, so in today's trading session, Bata India observed a delivery of more than 44%, which I think is really great. So certainly you can consider long-term investment in this particular stock and hold it with conviction as well. The next stock on our list is going to be DMart or Avenue Supermarts. Now, this is again one of the best companies in the retail space, and the only competition that I see is Reliance as of now, Reliance Retail. But the company is really great. Their business model is kind of unique. The management is doing a great job, and it is certainly one of the best bets for long term here. If I show you the all-time returns of this particular stock, so since the IPO in roughly about 2017, this stock has given you really good returns of about 338%, and it hasn't been even 5 years since the stock has been listed. So certainly, again, it's one of the candidates which you can consider for your long-term portfolio. And the stock is available at a discount of roughly about 17% from its all-time high. So that is really great. And if I show you the delivery percentages here, so again, you can see that a delivery of more than 41% is considered to be really good, and certainly people are preferring to keep the stock in their long-term portfolio and taking the delivery of it. The next stock on our list is going to be HDFC AMC. Again, one of the best companies, or one of the, I should say, leaders, or probably the companies which are listed and having a monopoly in this business is HDFC AMC. And the stock fell about 3.5% in today's trading session. Undoubtedly, it is one of the best companies in this space, and I see a lot of growth in this particular sector in times to come. If I talk about the all-time returns of this particular stock, again from an IPO in 2018, the stock has given you decent returns of over 56% in under 3 years, and I think there is a lot of upside remaining in this stock particularly. And if I show you the 1 year chart, so from an all-time high of roughly about 3,300, this stock is available to you at a correction of about 15%, which I think is really good. Talking about the delivery data, and you can see that this stock observed a delivery of roughly about 38%, which is again considered to be really good. The last stock on our list is going to be Jubilant Foodworks. So again, if you're someone who eats Domino's pizza or Dunkin' Donuts pretty frequently, I'm sure that you must be familiar with Jubilant Foodworks. It is one of the best companies where you can consider long-term investment. And if I show you the all-time chart, so since 2010 or roughly in about 11 years, the stock has given you really good returns of over 2200%, which I think is really great. And again, from the recent 52-week high, the stock is available to you at a correction of 16%, which I think is really great. Again, let's quickly have a look at the delivery data before we wrap up this particular video. In today's trading session, this stock observed a delivery of more than 30%, which is again decent. Anything above 25 is considered to be a healthy delivery, and anything above 40 or 50 is considered to be really awesome delivery. So these were some of the stocks which are available at a really good correction. Now again, this is the time to not fear and just pick up good stocks with conviction and hold them in your long term portfolio for long term, because this is the time you should invest and not when Nifty is at 52-week high or the stocks are at 52-week high. If you're taking them for a swing trading purpose, that's a different thing. But if you want to consider long term investment, buying stocks at dips rather than an SIP mode can really give you a really awesome returns in the long term. So I hope this particular video helped you and these stocks were of some use. So we discussed roughly about 7 stocks, which I hope will be useful for you. If this was useful, then please consider pressing the like button. And if you're new here and coming here for the first time, subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a good day. Take care and bye bye.